So Matt, what would you like to say about Jonathan? Because he's such a suck up.
Oh, I don't care.
What?
Nothing?
Yeah, how's that smell?
What?
Take a deep
That's wrong.
I think it smells good. We're gonna walk that way this time.
You know, you're totally going to be on YouTube. You probably won't ever figure out my username though.
You know, I actually don't really care. I decided that.
You're my Farmville bitch.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
What was wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm on track.
We're going that way. Go.
Cocaine is fun. It's very fun. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm totally her bitch.
Oh my god.
You can be the cameraman.
How do you zoom in?
I don't know. That button. You
That
zoom. And zoom back out.
Oh. You know, like Mr. Bean is like,
Oh.
Don't break it.
Can you give me my camera? Give me my fucking camera. Give me my camera. Yes, it's going. Get the camera.
You got my crotch in there. Yeah.
Jake.
I tried everything. I tried the seductive. Can I have that?
Ladies and gentlemen, we still don't have a winner on that.